Hi there, students. Cock-a-hoop. Okay, cock-a-hoop is an adjective meaning very happy, especially if you've achieved something. So I was cock-a-hoop about my exam results. To be cock-a-hoop at something, to be cock-a-hoop over something, to be cock-a-hoop about something. My cousin was cock-a-hoop when he got the job that he was trying to get. You might be cock-a-hoop when your team win the championship, for example. So if you're cock-a-hoop, you're over the moon, you're ecstatic, elated, euphoric, overjoyed, jubilant. You could be walking on air. You could be tickled pink. You could be in seventh heaven or even on cloud 9. So there are a huge number of synonyms for to be very happy about something. I think cock-a-hoop's probably slightly informal, and I think you probably ought to keep it to an informal conversation rather than using it in a formal setting. I think more formally, euphoric, ecstatic, overjoyed, something like that would be much more suitable. Now there's lots of argument about the origin of this. There are various different suggestions. It could be that you are giving a cock, a rooster, a full measure of grain, a hoop of grain. Okay, so the rooster's really happy about it. There's another one that suggests that the cock is the tap in a barrel of beer or wine, and they take the tap, the cock, out and they put it in the top so that people can drink directly from the barrel. Very wasteful as well. But clearly, cock-a-hoop, to drink in celebration. There's also a French phrase, coq à l'hoop, which is your rooster showing his crest. So he's very proud, yeah? And to me this sounds probably like the best explanation of its origin. So, cock-a-hoop, really, really happy about something because you've achieved something or you've done something or something like that. I also discovered another meaning for cock-a-hoop, meaning something is crooked, it's not quite straight, it's askew. So I guess you could say that picture is cock-a-hoop, but I think personally I would only use cock-a-hoop to mean ecstatically happy about something. Okay, so cock-a-hoop, it's an informal way of saying someone is really, really happy about something. He's cock-a-hoop about his exam results. You'll be cock-a-hoop if you get that job. The supporters were cock-a-hoop because their team won. Okay, so there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Cock-a-hoop.